Hello people, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be showing a Kontakt library Quartarone guitar Reveries, based on the sound and touch of the great Italian guitarist Claudio Quartarone. Developed by the Australian company Valiant Samples. Now, if you guys don't know about Kontakt libraries, just know that you need Kontakt to load it, but you can download Kontakt Player instead. It's free, and although this library isn't free, you'll find tons of free libraries with quality sounds. Let me know if you guys need a Kontakt Player installation tutorial, but right now let's focus on the library itself. So, here I am in lmms. Loaded the player in Vestige. As soon as it opens, you'll see this if you have installed the library. Clicking on the instrument would open these four things. A is guitar presets. B is pads, basically ambience, and C is tone, which you can call tonal FX. That's the simplest way to put it. And in the last you'll see the QGR empty. That's useful if you're up to making your own sounds. Let's check out the presets. Pretty simple and basic representation. Now let's make a custom sound. So, there are two sections, main and effects. Main has two oscillators A and B with pre-recorded sounds. Both have a basic ADSR setting. Slider to set start point of audio. And these are the effects we'll get onto later. Let's make a guitar sound. Switching off effects so I can hear the bass sound. This release affects the sound after the note is hit. Now for B, I'll choose a sound with a bit of sustain. Now adjusting the attack to make it sound 1. Now onto effects. In effects, most of the effects can be applied to individual oscillators. You can see the A and B on the left and the button on the top right to turn them on or off. While editing one, you might put the other off. This is filter, only low pass. Tremolo is like LFO pitch, don't want it here. Delay is echoing of the sound. Let's go to the equalization. Amp is distortion, present with crunch, bright and mono. Distortion puts some color to the rather dull sound. Now for B. You see how tremolo works. If you want to use lo-fi, here is a quick look. It distorts the sound. and degrades its quality? More like a bit crush distortion. Chorus makes the sound wider and detuned. Now on the equalization. Now putting the reverb on. Now back to the main section, we have these effects that affect the final output. This is wet, which affects the delay and reverb. This is the cutoff. Saturation of A and B distorts the sound. Whittier affects the stereo mono effect. This is tremolo, as I showed you. This was a basic tutorial for this library. I hope you liked the video. If you want to know more about the library, the link is in the description. Also, you can check out the Valiant Samples channel, link in the description. Thanks for watching.